Google is aggressively pushing its Gemini models deeper into its core products, starting with a complete overhaul of its popular note-taking app. We will break down exactly what this means.
Welcome to 5-Minute AI News for Friday, July 17th. We are also looking at European regulators forcing Android to open up and a new open weights model from a prominent former OpenAI executive.
Let's start with that Google integration. The company is rebranding Notebook LM as Gemini Notebook. It is moving from an experimental tool to a standalone app that ties directly into Gemini and Google Search.
The most interesting technical addition here is a cloud compute feature. It can actually write and run code directly within the Notebook interface. For now, this coding capability is limited to AI Ultra and Workspace customers.
It makes sense to gate the compute-heavy features for enterprise users. Separately, Google Search is expanding its AI mode. It will now allow users to securely link and interact with select third-party applications.
So instead of just answering questions, Search can actually complete tasks within other apps. This indicates a clear strategy from Google to move Gemini from a passive chatbot into an active agent embedded across their entire ecosystem. It changes the utility of Search entirely.
Speaking of Google's ecosystem, they are facing new regulatory pressure abroad. The European Commission has issued legally binding specification measures under the Digital Markets Act, targeting Android.
The mandate requires Google to open up access to the Android operating system for rival AI platforms. Right now, Gemini enjoys preferential access on Android devices, including being preloaded and having system-level hot word support.
The ruling also compels Google to share its search data with AI competitors to foster interoperability. Google, as a designated gatekeeper under the DMA, must comply, though they have stated these changes could undermine user privacy and security.
This is a significant regulatory decision. It directly challenges the advantage companies have when they control both the operating system and the AI model running on it.
Shifting to the model landscape, Thinking Machines Lab has released Inkling. This is the company founded by former OpenAI Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati.
Inkling is a multimodal open weights model with 975 billion parameters. According to the company's internal benchmarks, it currently leads United States open weights models on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index.
However, it still trails some of the top Chinese open models in specific tasks. The company is positioning Inkling as a broad, efficient general-purpose model, primarily designed to be a base for fine-tuning, rather than trying to be the single most powerful model on the market.
They have priced it at $1.87 per million input tokens. It shows a strategy focused on developer adoption and enterprise efficiency over raw capability metrics.
Looking at consumer applications, Roblox is rolling out a feature called Build directly to its mobile app. It allows users to generate basic games using a single text prompt.
This makes game development much more accessible to their user base. You can just type out a concept on your phone and the platform generates a playable environment.
It is part of a steady integration of AI tools on the platform. They previously announced AI world models and a foundation model for generating 3D assets, along with an assistant for developers.
Lowering the barrier to entry like this will likely increase the volume of user-generated content on the platform. It is a practical example of AI changing how digital environments are authored, removing the need for traditional coding skills.
Meanwhile, back over at Google, their video creation tool Google Vids is receiving notable updates. They are introducing personalized AI avatars.
Users will be able to create videos starring a digital version of themselves. The platform is also integrating new tools powered by the Gemini Omni model, designed to streamline video generation and editing.
You can now use text prompts and reference images to drive the video creation process. It is a clear push to make enterprise video content easier to produce without professional equipment.
Relying on the Gemini Omni model suggests they are aiming for fairly advanced synthesis. It will be interesting to see the adoption rate for synthetic avatars in corporate communications.
That cloud compute addition to the Gemini Notebook could really change how developers work within the Google ecosystem.
We'll see how the rollout goes. That is all for today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave us a review on Spotify and Apple Podcasts.
It really helps other people find the podcast. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.